This is the factory mount. All you have to do is remove the 3 Phillips head screws and the 2 star bits. Those are called Torx. The Torx bits are T40. Now these are from Garage Star, I believe is who I ordered them from. There's a right and a left side. They're marked, as you can see. They fit like this, so you can kind of tell where they need to go in. Alright, so probably should replace those at some point because they are a little bit chewed up from the previous owner. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and feel free to comment at the bottom. If you have any ideas on what we can do for future videos, in addition to the Mazda Miata race car, feel free to comment and let us know. Thank you.